The phoenix washes its feathers. We'll work with this packing, this sipping breath. We'll sip 3 times into the belly, a little higher into the ribs, up into the chest. Then we'll push forward and we'll make the first sound with the metal element. Push forward, create space between the shoulder blades, sink the chest, sink into the heels, drop the tailbone. And then we seal the meridians by closing the fingers. And we do 3 more sips. In, in, in. The hands open and we release down towards the earth with the next healing sound, going towards the kidneys. We clear out. We do 3 sips. Then the next sound, liver. Seal the meridians. Sip, sip, sip. Cleanse out with the next sound. At the end, we'll turn our toes out, spread our fingers, stick out your tongue, and cross your eyes. The tongue is the sense organ for the heart. If we're not speaking our truth or we're holding stuff back, we create stagnation here. So we to clear this channel. Opening the hands, opening the feet, letting go to the earth, and crossing the eyes helps to alleviate confused energy in the mind. It says so in traditional Chinese medicine. The phoenix washes its feathers. I like this practice because it feels great and it's hilarious to guide people during it. Having a room full of people at you is amazing. We're going to do it today just for health and vitality because I can't see you all, but please send me a video of you doing it if you would like. I'd love to see it. Okay, exhale fully, and we'll inhale with 3 sips. Healing sound for the metal element is close the meridians, 3 sips. Exhale down. 3 sips. For the heart, 3 sips. Spleen. Yeah, unreal. I missed the liver. Do we miss the liver? Do it now. Feet out, spread the fingers, stick out your tongue and cross your eyes. Okay, we're going to do that one more time because I missed the healing sound. Inhale and exhale. Wild, wild. I think we went lungs, kidneys, heart, spleen, hormones. We want to go metal element, water element, wood element, fire element, and earth element. In the generating cycle of the 5 elements, this is how energy flows through the body, supposedly. It makes a lot of sense. If you study the 5 element theory, you'll see it. Okay, let's do that one more time. The correct way. Inhale, 3 sips. And seal in that healthy, fresh energy, 3 sips. Kidneys. 3 sips, and then liver. Three sips. For the heart. 3 sips, and for the digestion. for the hormones. Take a deep breath. Turn your toes out, spread your fingers, stick out your tongue, and cross your eyes. Take a deep breath. First time I taught that exercise to a group was in the jungle, in the mountain jungle of Costa Rica. What a treat to have so many people doing such silly, healthy things with me. Thank you so much. Let's shake it out. Bend and straighten the knees. Shake the wrists, elbows, the shoulders. Take a deep breath. Let's go through one of each of the sounds. Inhale through the nose, and we'll start with metal element. Kidneys for a chew. Chew. Liver with a shh. Heart sound. And the last one. One more deep breath with a big sigh. Slow it down, close your eyes.